So now I've come to the last stitch, so I'll do the last 3 double crochet in that stitch. So 1, 2, then the third one, 3. Oh sorry, I didn't take all that out. So then I'll slip stitch on the first, this is my first double crochet. I'll slip stitch like so. Remember how we slip stitch? Let me do that again. I will insert into the first double crochet I did, and I'll pull all through. So I'll chain 1 and I'll cut the yarn like so. So I can decide to cut this long because I want to hide it. So to hide it, I'll just come to the back like so, then I'll do my single crochet like that. Yeah, I can come all the way down like this, so just to hide my, so once I'm done with that, I can do that again, finally close to it, so just to have a perfect work. So we have come to the end of how to make scrunchie. So we'll cut the remaining part of what we have left from the beginning part. So this is our scrunchie. So you can see how beautiful our scrunchie is looking. Yeah, so you can see that, so beautiful. So this is the one we did. This one has been used for a while, that's why it's looking bigger than what we have here. So that's the end of today's training at SWAC Skill Up a Child program. So this is the set. Today is the second weekend, so we look forward to see you guys next weekend. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye.